Looking for a healthy dosa recipe without dal? This Ragi Coconut Dosa is a simple, nutritious and sattvic breakfast made using finger millet and fresh coconut with no lentils, no rice. This dosa is gluten-free, diabetic-friendly and ideal for a zero oil or oil-free diet. Perfect for breakfast, dinner or detox days. This easy dosa recipe is suitable for all age groups and can be enjoyed with chutney or curry of your choice. Let us start with the recipe. Here I have taken 1 cup of organic ragi or finger millet and 1 tablespoon of methi seeds or fenugreek seeds. Wash thoroughly and soak it in water for 6 to 8 hours. Rich in fiber, calcium and iron, ragi helps to manage blood sugar levels, supports weight loss and keeps you full for longer. Fresh coconut adds healthy fats, improves digestion and enhances taste naturally. After 8 hours of soaking, transfer the soaked ragi and methi seeds into blending jar. Take half cup of grated fresh coconut and by adding very little water, grind it to form smooth paste and transfer to a large vessel. Add very little water to mixie jar and add to the batter. Add pink Himalayan salt and stir continuously in one direction for 2 to 3 minutes. Allow it to ferment overnight. Next morning, well fermented batter. You give a good mix. I think the batter is slightly thick. I am adding 2 to 3 spoons of water and again I am mixing the batter. This is the perfect consistency of the batter. Heat iron tawa on medium flame. Take ladle full of batter and spread little. Beauty of coconut dosa is you need not apply any oil to the tawa. Cover and cook for few seconds. No need of pouring any oil on the dosa. Now the dosa is cooked nicely. Flip the dosa and cook the other side. You can see how easily you can flip the dosa. Coconut contains natural fats and this dosa will be very aromatic and fluffy. Now dosa is ready. Soft and aromatic ragi coconut dosa is ready to serve. Friends, if you enjoyed this healthy ragi coconut dosa without dal, do try it at home and share your experience in the comments. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sathvik Lifestyle for more simple, sattvic and healthy recipes. See you in the next video.